In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an Excel worksheet. Whether you're working from Excel for the web or just need to save a single sheet from a workbook as its own file, we've got you covered with these straightforward steps. Let's dive right in and ensure you have the know-how to manage your Excel files efficiently. To start off, if you're accessing Excel online via a web browser, say through Office.com or OneDrive, and you wish to download a workbook, here's what you need to do. You'll want to begin by clicking on File in the upper left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Save As. Next, you'll see an option that says Download a Copy. Once you click on this, a dialog box will appear asking if you'd like to save the file. Confirm by clicking Save, and just like that, the .xlsx file will be downloaded directly to your computer. This method is a quick and effective way to ensure you have offline access to your work. Now, what if you're interested in saving just a single sheet out of a larger workbook? Not a problem. Start by navigating to the sheet you want to extract. You'll see a tab for it at the bottom of your Excel window. Right-click on this tab and a menu will appear. Select Move or Copy from the list. This will bring up a dialog box. Here, you'll want to choose New Book from the To Book drop-down menu. This option will create a fresh workbook for your selected sheet. It's a good idea to check the Create a Copy box if you wish to keep the original sheet in your existing workbook intact. Once you've done that, click OK. You've just moved your sheet into a new workbook. From there, it's a simple matter of saving your new workbook by heading to File, then Save. Choose your saving preferences, and you're set. Finally, let's touch on using the Save As function to save a workbook. This is handy when you want to save your current workbook to a new location or under a new name. Begin by clicking on File and then select Save As. Now, you'll need to choose where you want to save your file. You could select This PC or Browse to navigate to your desired location. Once you've found just the right spot, enter your file name and pick the format you'd like, such as .xlsx. With all the details set, click Save, and you're done. I hope this guide has been helpful in teaching you how to download and manage your Excel sheets efficiently. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials.